Did you know you can take amazing night photos without spending thousands on fancy camera gear? The secret is learning to work with the light that's already there. Street lamps, neon signs, and even car headlights become your free studio lights. They create drama and mood that expensive equipment can't buy. The trick is knowing how to use them. Keeping your camera steady is the biggest challenge when shooting at night. If you're holding your camera, try to keep your shutter speed at 1/2 second or faster. This helps prevent blurry photos. No tripod? No problem. Rest your camera on a wall, railing, or even your bag to keep it stable. Most phones have night mode that brightens photos automatically. This works great most of the time, but turn it off when you want more creative control over lighting effects or motion blur. Once you get comfortable, try light painting with a flashlight or your phone screen. Always stay aware of your surroundings when shooting at night. The goal is capturing enough light while keeping your photos sharp and clear, whether you're shooting city streets or starry skies.